They are my support bees. I love bees.
Tray that is half dill and half basil.
This is River City Youth. It is an agriculture internship led by youth. Planting, growing our own crops, maintaining a garden, taking care of a beehive. If you come hither quickly. I don't get out there a lot, so when I heard of River City Youth, I was like, oh, I can have a fun time doing what I love and expanding my social circle since I was not raised with many people.
Go ahead and get things started, folks.
We're a nonprofit that's focused on providing enrichment opportunities for youth. Well, there are two big themes we hear. We hear gardening, which is, of course, because it's an agriculture program. But then we also hear a lot of youth saying that they want to, try to overcome social anxiety, that they want to, get better at communicating together. That's something that we really try to honor in our program and to provide lots of opportunities for them to interact with people from other organizations, with members of the community, with each other.
Everybody else head straight into the greenhouse.
Gets me out, gives me something to do. I get to meet new people, experience new things without being all cooped up. If I wasn't in this internship, I would probably be at home sleeping and making food.